Good afternoon. Today is Friday, July 8th, 2022. I'm over at Doctor's Lake Marina, and this is a 25-foot long Bennington Tritoon. I did want to show you real quick. I have a small section here that I didn't clean, part of the water line and just a section of this Tritoon as being a comparison, but don't worry, I will clean it after this video. So let's go ahead and check that out. So that's the part that will be getting cleaned, and then this is the rest. Thank you for choosing DS Dive.